In the Indo-Pacific, where a special counsel team has indicted former President Yoon Yeol on charges of abuse of authority over his short-lived imposition of martial law. It marks Yoon's third indictment with detention following previous ones in January and in March related to his martial law declaration on December the 3rd and other power abuse charges. According to the team led by Special Counsel Cho Yeon-suk, Yoon is accused of violating the rights of cabinet members during the martial law deliberation process. As per reports, Yoon retroactively drafted the martial law declaration ordering the deletion of records from encrypted phones and other offences. Reports suggest that Yoon also allegedly doctored the martial law declaration in a way that has made it appear as though Han and Kim had it signed off after the National Assembly approved of lifting the decree and then ordered the document to be discarded. The treason charge, however, was not included in the indictment as the team is still reviewing it. The indictment came after the team attempted to question Yoon multiple times following his second detention last week, but Yoon declined to appear. We're now joined. We are covering this story coming out of South Korea. Former President Yoon Yeol has been indicted once again, this time for his... Okay, we're now joined by Dr. Sanjay Kumar, who's a journalist located in the South Korean capital. Dr. Kumar, thank you very much for joining us on the program. How are people reacting to this? How are the South Korean public reacting to this new indictment on the former leader of South Korea? We know that Yoon had a huge support base when he was going through his impeachment trial. What does this third indictment mean for the political stability of South Korea?
Politically, Korea is very stable with the new government, and the new government is busy in managing emergency responses because of these rains, the torrential rains which have caused a huge disaster here. As you know, more than 6,000, 7,000 people have been evacuated and many are still in progress. Politically, Korea is very stable right now, but when you see the mood of the people, especially the supporters of former President Yoon, they are very disappointed with the manner it is being handled, because they think that it is going very smoothly, like very fastly. They don't want a kind of smooth legal procedures to be in place. But the common people here, those who are not supporting former President Yoon, they think it as a very common procedure, very legal procedure, and they want to close the chapter of former President Yoon. When I say close the chapter, that means like they are fed up with this, all those legal procedures and legal terminologies coming out in mass media and in the public. So common mood here is that let's say goodbye to him, let the law take its course, and if he has to be punished, let the law punish it. So this is the mood of the common people. But as you know, Koreans are very polarized after this not successful martial law. These polarizations are somewhere affecting the views of the people. But I can tell you that people here are determined to say goodbye.
Dr. Kumar, you said that you feel like political stability has returned to Seoul, even after this hugely long process which had happened back in December. How might this legal battle affect public trust in Korea's democratic institution, or has that already been recovered, as you said?
Yes, as he is being charged, he means the former President Yoon is charged not only to dismantle and disturb the constitutional order, but he is also being charged of distorting the evidences in the form of encrypted phone calls or encrypted data, and also undermining undermining to convene the cabinet meeting, and many cabinet members of his government also is thinking that their rights also had been undermined. So when you see the political turmoil, uh, even among the Yoon supporters, there is a division. When I say Yoon supporters, I am talking about the people who were with him
Yes.
in his government, during his government. So this is the situation right now. But people also want it to conclude very soon. That's why I think the court and the special counsel is trying to somehow conclude the legal procedures swiftly and come on track. And we also have to be very concerned about the new challenges that the new government is facing. The immediate problems are of this torrential rain, but Trump tariff, still the process is ongoing. So government has those challenges. And opposition party also do not want this to be very much politicized. They want to politicize the tariff and the economic insecurity battle. They want to focus on that, not this Yoon legal procedures right now.
Of course. Thank you very much, Dr. Kumar. You are staying with us to discuss further updates in